It's a super exciting day today. Mrs. Tum Tum and Peter Pizza are getting married. We've been helping fix their wedding after Tabor decided to ruin it. But I've had an idea how to make it extra colorful. Ready to find out more? Twende, let's go! It all began when Tabor and the Bongolalas decided to crash the wedding. Peter Pizza was very upset.
It's all ruined! No venue, no cake, no wedding!
But we decided nothing can spoil a celebration of love. Peter Pizza, we're going to make you the... Their wedding is so colorful. It's got me thinking all about color. Time for a super satch. What kind of colors are there? This is a color wheel. It's a chart that shows primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. All other colors are made up of a mix of these three. We can make secondary colors by mixing two primary colors together. That's how we make orange, green, and purple. I've recently discovered some cool facts about colors. Bring on the super facts. Take orange. It's made up of the primary colors red and yellow. Did you know an orange-colored cup makes hot chocolate taste better than other colored cups? It's true. Delicious. And did you know yellow and red together makes you hungry? Oh, not now, Tummy. I have some technovating to do. I'm going to make colorful flowers for Mrs. Tum Tum's wedding. Let's technovate! The first step is to make beautifully colored papers using a technique called chromatography. That's a process for separating mixtures. Take a coffee filter and, using a washable marker, draw a thick circle about halfway between the middle and the edge. Try using more than one color to see what happens. Now add about a teaspoon of water to the middle of the coffee filter and watch how the colors spread. Wow, so beautiful! As the water soaks into the filter, it takes the color dyes and the ink along with it. See how different colors separate? That's because different dyes have different solubility levels and travel at different speeds as the water moves. Now grab it in the middle and bunch it up to form a pretty flower. I've made lots of different colors to make a spectacular wedding bouquet. I hope they like it. One last thing for some extra bling. Attach some LED strips to your bouquet and... Yes! The flowers have come to life! You can finish them off with some green pipe cleaner stalks and put them in paper cups as vases. Super sweet! Oops! It looks like these flowers won't be the only colorful things at the wedding. Why not try making your own bunch of colorful flowers? Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Together we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.